Hello guys, it's me again back at you with another video. Now today I was stuck for a video idea because I was supposed to do something like a story time or a rant, and I was planning to do something actually another kind of like personal history video. Yeah, I was planning to do one of those, but it just so happened that I looked like an absolute piece of shit today, and I don't want to show my face on camera. So yeah. And yesterday, when I was staying up until 3 a.m. as usual watching videos, I found one of Ibert Ball's old videos. I'm gonna make him go through pain right now. I am so sorry. It's called Ibert Ball's Domain. It's from 3 years ago, and I might link it in the description. So yeah, go check out his channel. He's amazing. So Ibert Ball, shout out for you. And yeah, so go check out his channel and subscribe and do all that crap. Yeah. So this is gonna be a room tour kind of thing. So yeah, let's get into the video. So this is the entry to my room, and the first thing you would see when you walk into my room is obviously my vast Lego collection, because like I mean that's what everyone says. Uh, oh my god, look at all your Lego. But like what I see is the mess when I see I didn't clean this room before. Like look at all this is trash from like a week ago that I haven't even bothered to pick up from the floor. It's like water bottles and a two packets of tea. Oh, and the funny thing is I have a bin, but I don't use it. I just chuck everything on the floor. So yeah, so in this corner of my room that no one pays attention to lies my suitcase carrying my Freaky Pirate wig. Speaking of, I really want to do another Freaky Pirate video, but I have no idea what to do. So guys, please give me an idea for a Freaky Pirate video because I really want to make one. And yeah, because I missed that series. So obviously my Lego collection, I have some Jurassic World shit up there, the new ones from Mattel from last year. Yeah, those are like birthday and Christmas cards. This is actually Oxford. This one, the Town Airlines most amazing airline name in the world in my opinion. This is the Oxford Titanic that I got. It actually wasn't that expensive. Uh, so that's the Goody Brick Island. Some random shit, and like some Lego houses down there. I know I seem really dead. I'm so sorry. So this is my Lego airport terminal. I'm tripping all on all the trash in this room. That's pretty much all my Lego. That's like a catamaran from Goody Bricks that I bought, but never did a review on. If you guys want me to do a review on this catamaran, then please tell me. These are some Lego hulls, giving you a hint for a future build. Yeah, that I will probably do sometime. These are my Lego planes. Now this, what plane do you want me to build next, guys? Because this is, I really want to change this, and I have time since it's the Easter holidays, so yeah. Some more Lego. Honestly, most of this is just Lego. There's the Lego. Kobe 737 Coffin Max. Some more shit. My peacock feathers up there. My collection of peacock feathers. The Golden Gate Bridge I got from San Francisco. Yeah. Those. This is my bed. I actually did make my bed. Yeah. So this is my little like cupboard. Remember when I was doing that live stream, guys? One time, the Exploring Childhood Memories. Yeah. This is the magazine that I went through, and I didn't put it back in since then, just to show how lazy I am. This is the book I'm reading now, the one I got for Christmas. I'm actually not that far into the book, because, yeah. A glass from a can of Fanta from the weekend. Amazing. Some water that I didn't finish. My Mr. Tato yoke for money. My bus yoke for money. My wallet thing. Oh shit. I have a torch in here for no apparent reason. Woo. I'm not gonna blind you, I'm not that mean. Spare earphone shit. My power bank, is this still... Oh my god, it's still like 90% charged. Oh my god. Didn't even realise. This is my the SAT IL 62M model that I got for Christmas. And that is an Aer Lingus A320 model. These are a lot of my random planes that I don't really care that much. These are the low quality ones, like the Matchbox ones. Yeah, those, except maybe this one. This is a custom painted lot IL-62M. That was gonna be. It's actually a VC10, but I was like, oh, IL-62M. Although now I have a proper lot model, so I'll probably like wash the paint off because it was originally a RAF VC10. So I think I'll make it back into an RAF VC10. To be honest, these are some model airplanes. I actually don't know what company this is from, but yeah, this is a United 777 200 in the tulip livery. Quite rare nowadays. It's not a Gemini Jets or anything. It's honestly, it's good, but it's like not that great. But it's okay. Here's my dream catch that doesn't work. What's the thing with dream catchers? They don't work at all. Right now I'm standing on top of my bed. That is my big ass closet. That 90% of it is my maths shit. This is my vast airplane collection. This is my Boeing shelf, and that is my Airbus shelf. This is my custom made Ryanair EIEKE. I flew on this plane, so I made like the Krakow Malopolska. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. If any Polish person out there, because I know I have a few Polish subscribers, if I said that wrong, absolutely butcher me in the comments for it and tell me how you pronounce it, because I have no idea. So yeah, and I made the little stickers for it. Here's the proper La Polish model I was talking about. That I got for Christmas, so I think I'll do that one back into an RAF. There's my Erling. Well, my Erling is A321. That I made into EICPJ because I flew on EICPJ 2 years ago. And my Airbus shelf of planes. Now, what I've been thinking to do for a while now, I'm not bothered. I've been thinking about printing out like a Airbus. Oh fuck! I absolutely destroyed. It gives me so much like anxiety when these aren't like perfectly aligned. So they have to be perfectly aligned, or else I'll get anxiety and get mad and go absolutely nuts. I have to dust these, like, because look at all the dust there. Do you guys see the dust? I think I'm actually gonna dust like this after. Look at the Ryanair stand. Look at this United model, the 74. Oh fuck, it's blurry. Well, you won't be able to see it now. Maybe the Virgin Atlantic. Do you see the dust? Yeah, I'm gonna dust this like right after I'm done. So I've been thinking about like printing out like an Airbus thing. It's like Airbus, and here it'd be like Boeing. So like just let people know that is a great example there of Irish architecture. I don't know if you see it. It's a crack in the wall. I got these walls painted like 2 years ago actually, so they're like kind of new but not that new anymore. I made a hole in the wall here once. I made that hole. I don't know how. I actually don't remember how I did it, but I did. And that's pretty much my room. I mean, it's pretty fucking tiny. It's quite small. That's my Phineas and Ferb carpet I got like 5,000 years ago. It's the worst thing in the world, especially when I'm hoovering this room, although I never do it, so it's not that big of a deal. But whenever I do hoover the room, which is like once every 2 years, it's like it catches on and it's an absolute nightmare to hoover. But do you know what? That's a hot water bottle, and that's where all my I keep all my Lego instructions. That's the radiator that I rest my feet on. I just lie on my bed, watch some YouTube, and yeah, that's my like little carrier bag right there for all my shit when I travel. That's a PE bag there. The bin I never use. A robe. That's my mom's robe actually. I need to get my own. And the trash on the ground. So that was pretty much this room tour. There's not really that much to see in the scale of things, but I have like loads of random shit up there on my shelves. I'm gonna try not to die while doing this. I'm standing on the little shelf with like books on it and everything, and I'm absolutely screaming. Yeah, you guys see, I swear if I drop my phone I'm gonna die. Yeah, I have a lot of random shit there. Yeah, so, and that's a globe. So thank you guys for watching this and a lamp. Wait, I'm gonna touch the lamp just for the laugh. Woo. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was kind of a shit post, but not really much I could do, and it's blurry for fuck's sake. Just yeah, there. I know there's not really like, I didn't have an idea for a video, so I just thought room tour. So yeah, again, shout out to Ibert Ball for inspiring me to do this, and yeah, so thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, and I'm actually gonna give you a sneak peek of what I want to film soon. It's just a sneak peek, you know. Okay. Do you guys want to see her? There. Do you see it? Do you see it yet? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 A sneak peek for a future video. Yeah. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna sign out. That's my husky. That's my little fluffy husky because I can't have an actual dog because our landlord is a bitch. So I just have this for now. Yeah. So thank you for watching. I'll shut my mouth and bye.